Okay, women docs, how is it going for you out there? What's happening? Share in the comments your current challenge. I just got back from vacation, so I'm still in that nice vacation chill mode. And I'm looking at a barn. So what does the barn have to do with medicine? Well, I think of the brain like this big old barn. Oh, so our neuroscience tools really help to sustain us as we work in a really high-risk profession. So, I would not take, just take a chance. I would learn some sustainable well-being tools. Personally myself, I'm a neurologist, so I love the neuroscience ones. And I don't like when we say magical thinking, like all the emotions come from your heart. They don't. Your meaning and your purpose at work is spiritual. Like, I don't think so. I think that's also neuroscience. There's a part of the brain that has that deep sense of meaning and purpose. It's not really a verbal part of the brain. So I think if we really tapped into some of the neuroscience foundational, number one, information, and then number two, tools. So if you look at the science and the strategy of professional well-being, I just think, why not put all that into place as we work in a high-risk profession for burnout? And I was reading, an article like, what are the other high-risk professions for burnout? Well, of course, healthcare is number one, teachers, social services, anywhere where there's intense, potentially high-level emotional contact with others, that is a high-risk profession. So, healthcare definitely. Women in medicine, 100%. That's why I built Brain Hammock. It's a monthly membership. It's just for women docs because we share certain ongoing challenges as a working woman, especially a woman in medicine. There is persistent, leadership opportunity gaps, gender pay gaps, opportunity gaps, all kind of things. It's not needless to say of sexual harassment, etc. So there's so many challenges that still remain for women in medicine. So that's why I built Brain Hammock. It's a monthly membership. Please join me. Reach out with your questions. Imagine feeling like you had a community that understood, a community that shared resources, a community where you gained insights into how to navigate medicine. I personally think that we should all have these tools from day one in medicine to navigate because there's no question it's a high-risk profession and our emotions are not from our heart. We need to talk about the truth, right? I think the more we know about neuroscience, keep it simple and fun. I like to talk about lily pads and, brain priming and aligning and designing. And so it's not really technical. It's more, I think, useful and just very strategic. And I like precision. I don't like to waste time. So I just give you what matters, what really helped me. So I have 9-step framework that has really helped me to navigate this profession for 30 years. Okay, you got this. Reach out with questions and check out Brain Hammock. I'll put it in the link.